Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about a tool that's built into many of the Microsoft Office tools like Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Now this is the screenshot tool. You're probably already familiar with the print screen button that's on your keyboard, but Microsoft Office has a built-in screenshot tool, which is much better than the print screen that you have on your keyboard. So I'm in Microsoft Word right now, and I'd like to add something from another software program. For example, from my PowerPoint presentation that I have open right here. I will go to the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, click on Screenshot. It opens up with every window that I have currently open. So I have an Excel window open currently and a PowerPoint window. So let's choose PowerPoint. It takes a screenshot of my PowerPoint presentation and puts it right in my Word document. Now, the disadvantage to this is that it takes a screenshot of the entire window screen. Let's delete that. So instead of simply clicking on an available window from here, I could choose screen clipping. Now, when I click screen clipping, it takes you to whatever window was most recently accessed, and then you can take a screenshot of it. So I did not want a screenshot from Excel, so let's escape that. Click Escape on your keyboard and go back to Word. So let's open up the PowerPoint window so it can be my most recently accessed window. From the Insert tab again, Screenshot and Screen Clipping. There's my PowerPoint window. Now you see with the little plus sign, I can take a screenshot of whichever part of the window I like. And there it is, my screenshot in Word. Now you can resize this. You can rotate it and edit it just like you would an image. You can also crop by right-clicking. You see these bars that appear in the corners and on the sides. We can crop it from here, like this. But then, in order for the cropping to apply, I would have to click away from the area, and there it is. So basically, I can do the same with Excel and with PowerPoint. So I have an Excel open here. Let's go to the Insert tab, Illustrations, and Screenshot. I see my available windows, but let's go with screen clipping. Okay, so this was the Word document was my last access document, so it allows me to take a screenshot of the Word document. Okay, let's just select an area here, and here I have my screenshot. Let's try it also in PowerPoint. Insert tab, in the Images group, Screenshot, and Screen Clipping. So my last access window was the Excel window, so I can take a screenshot of this window. And here it is, my screenshot from Excel into my PowerPoint presentation. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.